Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to change from quick chat to free chat in Among Us, so you can type freely with other players. Before we start, keep in mind that to use free chat, you must be signed in to a full Among Us account. If you are playing on a temporary guest account, or if your account is under your region's age of digital consent without parental permission, free chat will be restricted. Make sure you are logged in properly first. If you are hosting your own game, here is how to enable it. First, open Among Us and select Play. Then go to Online, tap on Create Game. At the top right of the lobby settings screen, look for the Chat tab and click on it. From here, simply switch the setting from Quick Chat to Free Chat. Once selected, confirm your settings and your lobby is ready to go. If you are looking to join a public game instead, the process is slightly different. Go to Play, then Online, and select Find Game. On the right side of the screen, tap on Filters. Navigate to the Chat option. It will likely be set to Quick Chat by default. Switch this over to Free Chat. Close the filter menu and be sure to hit the refresh button. Now, all the lobbies displayed will support free chat. It is that simple. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.